Okay, we are making another yummy recipe for step 1 using 4 ingredients. Okay, who loves the cream puffs at Costco? You go to the freezer, pull them out, pop them in your mouth. Guess what? These 4 ingredients, we are going to make our very own cream puffs. Literally, those 4 things. So I'm going to show you how easy it is. So first thing we do is we are going to boil 1 cup of water, and 1/2 cup butter or shortening, either one. So just bring the 1 cup of water and the 1/2 cup or cube of butter to a boil. Okay, now that it's boiling, I'm going to add the flour. Just dump it in. Turn the heat off. Dump your whole cup of flour in. And you want to stir briskly until it leaves the sides of the pans and makes a ball. So see how it's totally pulling away from the sides of the pans and making a ball in the center. Okay. Now you can add the eggs one at a time and beat it together one at a time by hand, but I have my KitchenAid, so I'm going to let my KitchenAid do it. Okay, 1 egg at a time. And mix them in. Okay, now that the eggs are all mixed in, we are going to put it by spoonfuls onto an ungreased cookie sheet. And then you bake for 15 minutes on 400 degrees, and then you will turn it down to 350 degrees and bake for 35 to 45 more minutes. So just do round teaspoonfuls, however big you want those cream puffs. Okay, that batter made 21 cream puffs. So again, we will cook them for 15 minutes on 400 degrees. And then we will turn it down to 350 degrees and cook for 35 to 45 minutes. You just want them barely golden brown. Okay, they are done and they turned out really good. Check these out. How easy were those? Don't those look awesome? I can't wait to fill them. As soon as they cool off, we're going to fill them with whipped cream and top with powdered sugar. And we'll show you that next as soon as they cool off.